night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I know we've been MIA, we've been with family and everything, but now the vlog finally starts. But yeah, Cape Town vlog, here we are. So this is our second apartment. You're gonna see the other apartment, but this is our second apartment, but the start of the trip. So welcome to our humble abode. This is our, what do you call them? Is it an open plan? An open plan. Let's start this side. Don't give them niceness. So this is our kitchen. We've got the dining room table. We've got the fruits. We've got the complimentary drinks. All of that jazz. Yep, and we've got the kitchen, which is nice and spacious. We've got the microwave. We've got a lot of cabinets, like a lot of storage. They've put a few things in there. Plates, cutlery, like the space is there. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we've got space. We've got the bin, yeah. And I love this whole, one thing about Cape Town, decoration, utilize your home country. Love that, that's very pretty. And this side, it's very small but useful. We've got our living room space. We've got, I'm not gonna lie, loving this couch. Not loving the material, but I love the concept of the couch. Don't mind our luggage, we literally just checked in. So this is our couch. Literally, you can sleep in here. Well, I can sleep in here because I'm not that. Focus on me, cameraman. Yeah, and we've got our TV. Like, I'm loving this whole vibe. Like, what do you call this again? What do you call it? Media wall type of vibe. Like, I love it. Like, yeah, TV is small, but it's okay. It's okay. We're not gonna watch TV anyways. And then, welcome to the master bedroom. So yeah. This is the bedroom. Very big, very mindful, very demure, very spacious. So this is our bedroom. This is, I love this because I think this is meant to be a console table where I can put my makeup in here. I can get ready in here, so I don't have to be fighting anybody. But there's also another space that I would like to be getting ready in personally. Yeah, we've got the sitting area here. Have you showed them the bed? Yeah, this is our bed. Very nice, very big, spacious. Once again, love the decor because I think this is somewhere in Cape Town near the beach, I think. Yeah, it is. So welcome to my absolute favorite part. If you know one thing about me, I love bathrooms, unprovoked. I don't know why, I'm just a weirdo. But welcome to my favorite room. I think you're gonna have to go by yourself because I don't think we'll fit. Do you want me to come with you? Okay. First things first, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. We've got the shower. And we have a rain shower this time. We've got the shower, very nice, very spacious, the both of us can fit. And you come this side, this was the reason why this apartment was booked. So we've got a nice big bathtub, showers will be head, baths will be head. And then we've got a his and hers sink. So this is where I probably will be doing my makeup. Do you want me to do it? This is where my makeup will be happening. There's storage for him, there's storage for me. The lighting is good. The view is good. Then okay, so we've got the his and hers. We've got storage for me, storage for him. The lighting is good, so I think this is where I'll be doing my makeup personally. Like the mirrors, the decor, the aesthetic, mwah, everything is 10 out of 10. Then we have a spacious toilet for my man, because he lives in here. So this is the toilet, very spacious, very nice. And that's the view, like. So my favorite part is when you're having a bath, look at the view, like how beautiful and how stunning is the view. Like imagine sitting in here, having a little late night bath and seeing all of this. Oof, I can't wait. God, this is beautiful. By the grace of God, 2026, I'm moving to Cape Town. Sometime. So balcony, do you want to do this one? Okay. So guys, the balcony is really giving what it needs to give. So this is our bedroom balcony. It's small, but it's fine because we don't really need a big space. But taking the view from here as well, like from this side, we get to see the sea, the rocks, the neighbors, everybody basically. I can see, that's why I stopped talking because the pool was looking real good. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this space, to say that we didn't believe in the vibe of this place. Well, I didn't because the pictures do not do this apartment justice. Like when I say it is a 10 out of 10. But this balcony, you think you've seen it all? No, babes, no. It's always gonna be go big or go home. Come with me. Because I'm too excited and I don't know why. Oh, first of all, let's close the door. So this is the star of this apartment, the main show, the main event. Okay. So wait, where do you want to start? Do we start this side or that side or that side? Okay, so we'll start this side. First of all, how cute am I? I know the lighting is hitting. So we start this side. We've got the jacuzzi. Yeah. Very nice, big and spacious. From the jacuzzi, look at the view, then you come this side. To be fair, this whole thing is just unnecessarily big. Like this balcony is very big. I don't even know what to do with myself. Like, do you know what? No, get a mat and by the time I leave this place, I need to have a 6-pack because I can work out here in the morning. So yeah, guys, literally, this is just the balcony and this is the view. Oh, yeah. This is the view. Oh, I want to be over there where those people are because that looks very demure. Is it people? Is it penguins? It's people, innit? Oh, that looks nice. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, like, oh, the view, sorry, I'm just too excited. So this side we have you done the whole thing? Okay, this side we have a dining room table or like just chilling, you know. It's very giving me because if I would have designed this house, this is what I've done. We've got a sitting place, we can eat here in the morning, we can eat here at night. And here is the, what do you call them? The barbecue place. So if we have time, we probably might invite a few of my cousins. We do a little bit of braai, we'll sit there, drinks flowing, just chilling, catching up with family. Then there's just like a nice little sitting area here. Like there's a door from there where you can come in or get out from. Like this whole penthouse, not apartment, penthouse is giving 10 out of 10. So yeah, this is our gaff for the next couple of days. So yeah, I think 9 days, but we might make it 11 days because we've got 2 extra days that are free that we haven't booked anything. We might come back here because it's giving 10 out of 10. So this is me. Thank you.